Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Shahbaz here. As we learned in the previous video that how to import data in R software. So in today's video, I will explain how to find missing values in our dataset using R software. First, we will check the frequency of missing and non-missing values for every variable. This helps us understand which variables contain missing data and how many values are there. And in the next process, we will identify the exact location of each missing value. R will show the specific row and column where the missing value is present. Remember, finding missing values doesn't remove or change any data. It only helps us inspect the dataset before conducting further analysis. So if you find this video useful, please like, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for upcoming R data analysis videos. So now we put the coding in console to find the missing values. So we take the code and I just suggested and give prompt to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave us the two coding. First coding is to put the frequency table and the second one to find the exact row and column. So first we copy and place here, then click enter. So R will automatically present the table here like there is gender variable and there are 275 valid values. However, there is only one missing value in gender data. On the other, you can also see the mean, median, and standard deviation, minimum and maximum value in gender data. On the other hand, we also see age. So there is total 278 responses. So there is no missing value. So you can also see mean, median, standard deviation, minimum and maximum value. Next one, education. There are total 276 responses. So there are two missing values in education. So you can also see the mean, median, standard deviation and minimum and maximum values. And you can also see the next variable, job position, experience, photo location, nationality. So there are no missing value in these data. So it means we have just identified that there are one missing value in gender and two missing value in education. So now we see what are the exact location of these missing values. So we will copy the second prompt and give to R and then click on enter. So now R correctly showed us that there is row 18 and column 1. We will find the missing value. Then row 7 and column 3 we will find the missing value, and then row 15 and column 3 we will find the missing value. So we go to data bar. So we can say here first one is row number 18 and column 1. So column 1 and row number 18. So we'll go down. So you can see there is a missing value. So we will put the value here, and you will see my next video on how to replace missing values in dataset using R software. So for this reason, you need to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my next video easily. So you can also see that row 7 and column 3. Column 3 for education, you can see row 7. So there is also a missing value here, this one. And you can also see row 15 and column 3. Row 15 and column 3. You can also see here missing value. So there is no other missing value because RStudio exactly placed the value where we find that there are completely missing values in our dataset. So in this way we find the missing value in our dataset using R software.